Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare, the science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today start this chapter 16, Water a Precious Resources part 2. So today's topic is rainwater harvesting and conserving of the water. So first one topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting, most of the rainwater just flow away. Most of the rainwater just flow away. This can be skillfully used for the reaches the groundwater. The modern building of the schools, office, homes, and itself a rainwater harvesting system so as to store the rainwater in there on the promise for the future use. So rainwater being the collect at the roof up top, the water is stored in tank, and rainwater harvesting help in the rising the groundwater level. Bowries. The Bowries is the age old the methods of the collecting water. These structures are the still found in old buildings, place and forest. With time, the Bowries fill into the discus and the garbage stored filling. In these, the worries the however because of the acute the storage of water the worries are the being re- reviewed today. The situation is that the impact of the secondary rain those the places are the managing their water needs well. Drip irrigation, it is the methods of the watering planet by use of the narrow tubing which deliver the water directly to the base of the plant. This this minimize wastage of the water. The mechanism of the drip irrigation is known as the figure given below. Role for the saving the water. You can be a leader to the snow pupil about the water management skill. If any pipeline and tap water is the leaking, so there the immediately the report to the auth- authorities or authority like the Jal Board in Delhi to prevent the water loss. Educate the pupil about the water wise habitats which can be developed gradually and will last life long once developed. Effect of water security on the plants. We grow the many plants into the pot in the our homes. These are called the potted plant. These the potted plants are the watered regularly. If the potted plants are not watered even for the few days, the plants will become the limp and the ultimately dry up. Potted plants are not giving the water for the considerably time, so these will die. The sufficient water is the initial for the maintaining the life of the plants. The plants need water to obtain nutrients from the soil. Dear students, potted plants are not given water for the considerable time, so they will die. Thus, the sufficient water is initial for the maintaining the life of plants. So plants need water to obtain nutrients from the soil and to make food by the process of photosynthesis. The various effects of water security on the plants are the water security will affect nutrition uptake from the soil by the plants. The rate of photosynthesis will decline, so oxygen involved will be less. Rate of transpiration will also decline, so water vapors released in the atmosphere by transpiration will be less. It will disturb the water cycle. So in brief we can say the storage of the water will lead to a shortage of food, shortage of oxygen and shortage of rain also. So dear student, today's chapter is complete. I send you the PDF file. So complete your note copy and send me and complete your work. So send me.